Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tracksolid app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Tracksolid is a GPS tracking app designed for real-time monitoring of vehicles, fleets, assets, or personal trackers. It offers live location updates, route playback, geo-fencing alerts, and multi-device tracking to ensure safety and better management. The app also supports instant notifications, driver behavior insights, and a cloud-based platform that can be accessed from anywhere. Its interface is fairly user-friendly, making it suitable for both personal and business use. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate tracking, smooth connection, and ability to monitor multiple devices at once. Fleet managers in particular find value in its reporting tools and alerts, which help improve efficiency and safety. The geo-fencing feature is also widely praised, as it allows setting up safe zones and receiving instant alerts if a vehicle leaves or enters them. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users mention delays in location updates, occasional app crashes, or connectivity issues depending on network strength. Since it requires compatible GPS hardware, there may also be extra costs involved. Additionally, certain advanced features are locked behind subscription plans, which may not be affordable for everyone. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Tracksolid app may be worth using if you need a reliable GPS tracking solution for vehicles, assets, or fleets. It shines in real-time monitoring, customizable alerts, and multi-device management. However, if you're concerned about subscription costs, hardware requirements, or occasional delays in updates, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.